Arthur again, and today I have this absolutely gorgeous 1985 Mercedes 500 SL. This car is a European model. It was gray import car, meaning it was imported here back in 90s, and it is in very beautiful condition. It has only 116,000 miles. It is just spectacular. I love it. And it is here today to get new fuel pump, fuel filter, and couple of fuel hoses. I'm gonna go over the parts, but first let's take a look at the car. Here's the car. As you can tell, this one is definitely different from the US market 107 SLs. It has this very delicate and beautiful European bumpers. It doesn't have the big sticking out bumpers that the US market car has, and also it has this one-piece glass headlights with wiper blades, and it's just so pretty. It does have these very nice lines that go around here. It's just the whole thing is the way it's finished. This European spec model, it looks very pretty. Let's look at this side. I love the long hood that these cars have. It does have some nice BBS wheels on it with Proxys tires. Just look how pretty this car is. Absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at the side. It is finished in this nice dark gray color. It does have the factory AMG lip. The wheels are staggered. It does have some work done on the exhaust, I believe, because it sounds a little meatier than stock. This being the European version, this is, I believe, the highest horsepower one that you could get in this body style. These, I think, are rated at 245 horsepower, the European one. The US 560, which is the largest engine, I think it got up to 227, even up to their last year until 1989. But these were, since non-catalytic converter cars, I believe these are at 245. Let's take a look at the inside. Very nice condition with a nice gnarly wheel. Door panels are very soft. Overall, it's in great shape. The hardtop is on. The owner said that the roof does open. It's manual soft top roof. These cars were made for a very long time, from 1971 till 1989, which is like insane nowadays if you think of as a model going for 18 years. You know, nowadays they change them every 6-7 years. You get a new model, the longest. This ones were just, I mean, they did have small facelift, I believe, in the middle, 85, but they did last for a very long time. Absolutely beautiful car. Okay, let's look at the parts. So the owner provided me these parts. They're from the Mercedes Source website, and it is a fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel regulator, and a few hoses. And I'm going to go ahead and start replacing them. Okay, quick look under the hood. This is the M117 engine, 5 liter. I believe it's stock, no modifications on it, and it is in good running condition. Okay, we are under the car. Overall looks really good. Looks like there is small seepage from somewhere. It's a little wet over here under the transmission. It might be just blowing back from the rear main seal or something, valve covers possibly. I don't like these, they're sticking down this long. It might be some kind of aftermarket sway bar links or something. I'll shorten these down. Overall, looks really good. It's a 40-year-old car, so it does have a MagnaFlow exhaust. That's why it sounds meatier than they usually do. So here are the fuel pumps located over here, and we're going to start replacing them, as well as the regulator right there. Okay, here are some of the parts that are removed. They were working parts, but we replaced them just to make sure they're new and continue working properly. So it's the original Mercedes filter. Not sure when is this replaced, but it looks pretty old. And this one looks original as well. Alright. Okay, that's about it for this car. I replaced all the parts that needed to be replaced. I did take a nice shower in fuel for a little bit, which wasn't very pleasant, but it is what it is. Anyway, so it is a very nice car. I really enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed it too. Please comment, like and subscribe. There are more videos to come. Thank you.